What is up, science types? Are you ready for some knowledge bits? Yes? Good? Excellent. If you've seen any number of viral videos on the internet, then you've probably seen at least one of somebody adding Diet Coke and Mentos together and the resulting foamy explosion. Instead of just doing another boring, overdone Diet Coke plus Mentos video though, I thought that it would be prudent perhaps to talk about the science type junk behind what's actually going on. So with that in mind, on this week's Tiger Talks, we'll be discussing three different kinds of chemical reaction. Diet Coke and Mentos is what you could call a catalysis reaction, and catalysis is basically the speeding up of an existing chemical reaction. It occurs when you add an outside entity called a catalyst to one or more of your reactants. With the viral videos online, the reaction that's already going on is the release of carbon dioxide gas from the soda drink. It's in the form of tiny little bubbles that float to the surface of the drink. The catalyst is the Mentos candy. The rough surface that's unique to the mint flavour of Mentos candy gives the carbon dioxide bubbles a really good place to form, and it allows them to form much more rapidly than they would without its presence. So rapidly, in fact, that we get the eruption of foam that the bottle just can't handle. But there are other things that you're encouraged to mix together as children, aren't there? All over the internet, you'll find recipes for a substance known as elephant toothpaste, which is the byproduct of another incredibly foamy reaction. Except this time, the reaction is the rapid decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Traditionally, what you do here is you mix 30% hydrogen peroxide with some liquid dish soap before introducing your catalyst. A good one for this experiment is potassium iodide. The potassium iodide acts as a catalyst for the decomposition reaction of the hydrogen peroxide, and it causes it to break down into its constituent components, that is, water and oxygen gas, much faster than would happen naturally, and both of these mix with the dish soap to produce an incredible amount of foam. Of course, if you can't get your hands on 30% H2O2, or you can't get your hands on any potassium iodide, you can always recreate the experiment as a weaker version using a less potent version of peroxide, say 9%, and some baker's yeast. And then, of course, there's the old school science. I'm talking about the experiment that's been done for years. Decades. Centuries? Who knows? Who cares? It's the baking soda and vinegar Volcano! As well as this being one of the most famous childhood experiments, it's also probably one of the most famous chemical reactions, the acid-base reaction. What happens in this specific case of this reaction, and most instances of the acid-base reaction, is that the acid, vinegar, gives a hydrogen atom to the base, bicarb soda, in order to form a brand new compound called carbonic acid. The carbonic acid rapidly decomposes into water and carbon dioxide gas, which mingle together to form the frothy, bubbly mess that spews forth out of your volcano mouth. You get two reactions for the price of one, and if you colour it red, it makes a pretty sick 8th grade science experiment. And now, gentle warriors of science, that you know about these reactions 3, it's time to do some experiments. And these experiments are all ones that you can do at home by yourself, and I strongly encourage you to post videos of you doing them so that I can see you doing science bits and it will make me so happy. Just maybe don't do them inside unless you really like cleaning sticky stuff off things. Subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, do these things, or everything will taste like that taste you get when you drink orange juice after brushing your teeth.